This is Nicholas playing with one of his new toys that Frank and Stacy got him.
Wow,
Go, go, go!
Turn it, turn it, turn it. Oh, that's so too cute.
He loves it.
Oh, he's gonna crash! Nicholas gonna crash!
Boom!
Oh, he crashed!
Gotta turn around. Bye.
Whoa, crash!
He's good. He knows how to steer.
Turn it! Turn it!
Too bad it doesn't have like a reverse button.
Well done.
Good job! Yay!
High five! High five! Daddy